Hello and thank you for clicking on my video. Let's jump into the butter I got for you today. The first thing I found here looks like Binance has a game where you can win these CTSIs. I don't really know what these CTSIs are yet, but it's interesting. I found this little screenshot as well, so it looks like a fun little tower defense game. So I mean, if you're already just sitting at home quarantined or whatever and you want to play some games, maybe you can earn some tokens this way. Check it out, maybe comment, let me know if it looks good or if it's fun, and I'll share whatever else I find. Let's see, this wasn't super important, but I thought it was interesting that there's millions of dollars of wheat trade going on with actual governments, it looks like, maybe being settled on the blockchain. So there might be some value there to look into. Another thing that I just found interesting was Ethereum. It seems like the amount of Ethereum usage is going up, possibly even passing Bitcoin. So that's interesting. I also shared this article. So there's some data there on that. This was something Charlie Lee tweeted out. So it looks like Cred. So he was sharing this, so I decided to retweet that. It seems like you can sign up for this, and it's some sort of card program or something. So that may be of interest. What else do we have here? Yes, this live conference. I definitely want to mention that because that's today, and it's free, and apparently anyone can join. So it's going to be April 16th at 4 p.m. Eastern. So you've got about, what is that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours from now. So if you want to attend this this afternoon, that may be worth looking at. I'll probably be busy, but if I'm not, if I can slip away, I might actually go to this as well, but we'll see. Consensus distributed, so if you do manage to go to that, let me know. Either tweet me or put a comment in the video if you can find this video again, because I'm very interested to know what that's like in today's world. Some RippleNet news about Money Match. Not too familiar with it, but it seems like more of these things like MoneyGram and Money Match, all these things are jumping on Ripple, so that might be interesting. One thing that I didn't share that I seen a few days ago was it looks like Ripple was abandoning some of their old IPs, like for XRapid and stuff. They were letting those go, possibly in exchange for ODL, because they did that rebrand. So that's interesting. Maybe that rebrand's working. I don't know, but it seems like more people may be jumping on their new RippleNet. Nothing really valuable for you here, but just in the interest of making sure everyone's safe and nobody's losing funds, it looks like Google's removing extensions that have been stealing, wallets and data. So just keep an eye out for that. If you can, I don't know, maybe just look through your extensions and see which ones you have. Maybe just do an inventory and see if there's any that are questionable. And if so, maybe investigate to see if there are one on that list that was removed. Don't take any risks, that's for sure. You don't want to lose your coins. Other than that, that's the stuff I found this morning. If you have something else or something you think that's worth sharing that people should know, definitely let me know. Tweet me, and I'll post another video sharing everything that I can find. In the meantime, stay safe out there. Thanks.